If you ordered one of our flex head beds, this might be your first time installing flex head sheets. Don't worry, it's really easy to do. Our premium bamboo and Pima cotton sheet sets come with fitted sheets that include a patented elastic corner design. They even have the words "First Fit" printed on which ones to install first. You can see at the foot of the bed it says "Fit First." Let's install the foot section first. Here are two sections for the flex head design. They go on very easy. Here's a quick tip. If you don't want to struggle, make the flex head portion come to you. Just raise the head and install. I really love how the fitted sheet fits. Even when the bed is articulated, it doesn't move. Here's another reason why the sheets are so important. The additional corner elastic bands help hold the fitted sheet in place. A traditional fitted sheet may work its way loose from the top section because of the hoses that come out of the head of the bed. There are many different kinds of flex head sheets. We believe ours is the best quality, best fitting, and most comfortable sheet set money can buy. We truly guarantee you will sleep better and wake refreshed.